Hey everyone, hello and welcome. Thank you for your interest in this solution offering and allow me to describe the platform with a short demonstration. Organizations, particularly in the manufacturing sector, have always faced issues in answering questions about the data. Questions like how many units of product X were used in building product Y, what were the products that used product A as a component, and how many units of this product have we manufactured in the last 2 years, and so on. They sit on top of a treasure trove of data but lack the ability to drive business decisions and gather meaningful insights from this data. We at Mandelbrot Technologies present you our highly customizable, dynamic, powerful, and interactive solution, the Production Intelligence Suite for Manufacturing. The solution that we're presenting here is for businesses and organizations to have an in depth and insightful view of the data and to be able to identify and make key business decisions from avenues that were previously considered unusable. This solution aims at solving and answering many questions from data when it involves moving through several layers of a varying BOM hierarchy. All materials are identified by unique key and relationships to other products are built based on this key. The overview page provides for an eagle-eye view of the data with important KPIs and metrics presented in a clean and powerful setup. Graphs can be interacted with to deliver even better insights from the data. We have important KPIs and metrics displayed to provide for information on the entire inventory and graphs to display the split between amount of items in said inventory. The consumption quantity analysis graph shows the relationship between different products. The inventory overview page provides detailed analysis of the inventory on hand with graphs to depict the share of items in terms of quantity available. We can make selections to view shares between the top 3, 5, and 7 categories and are also able to choose a particular category to understand the inventory better. The production analysis page provides a comprehensive understanding of the amount of stock being moved into production, its quantity, and also quality assurance status of the inventory, which is an important metric to keep track of. Quantities can be shown as splits of amounts versus the average lead time and also display the variance of batch sizes over extended periods of time. Now, the traceability and supply chain flow page has a unique way of depicting the consumption analysis of products and the relationship to consumer items, which is explained in the tree visual below. Often, source items are used in multiple products, and these products act as source materials for further downstream products. It becomes challenging for organizations to trace lineages and genealogies and understand the consumption of items in their entire supply chain. This section enables users to drill down and understand every item and its relationship with the rest of the inventory. Other important metrics such as the average quantity of items consumed and produced are also made available for the user. This helps users gain high levels of granular visibility of produced materials and their components. The product and life cycle page helps provide a general overview of the items at hand and its status. Graphs are made available to help understand the variance of each status over each quarter, and the data can be viewed for each item as well. This is a brief description and demonstration of the visuals and capabilities of the report. Each visual and page is highly customizable to suit businesses and support them in making relevant yet powerful business decisions.